So a lot of times with handwriting, we want to compare it to a known. So how do we go about acquiring that handwriting sample? Well, I'm going to go over that here for you. So first off, when we're acquiring that handwriting sample, we want the subject should not be shown the question document. So whatever we're trying to kind of compare to, the subject should not be seeing that particular document. We want to try to keep it reduce the chance of having any bias in the handwriting sample that the subject will be producing for us. We want the subject not to be told how to spell words or use punctuation. So this means a lot of the terms, a lot of the sentences, a lot of the words should be verbally given to them. We don't want to have them to be told how to spell them, to copy how to spell them. They should just be allowed to just write. We're just looking at the handwriting, not grading their spelling. Then we also want the subject to use materials similar to those in the document. So when we look at the document and determine potentially what pen it was made with or what writing implement it was made with, we want to try to give them something similar. Because for pens, that might involve the pressure that they put on it or the angle that they put on it. That can help us develop a better comparison. We want to dictate the text, so it should match some parts of the document. So we don't want it to be like a verbatim of a complete read-through of the entire document. It should match some parts because those are the parts we're going to be looking at comparison. But again, we don't want it to match exactly the original sample. Okay, moving on, the subject should be asked to sign the text. Well, this acts as kind of that record to be able to compare a known handwriting sample with some of the letters or kind of strokes that they may make or some sort of anomalies that they may make. This is also a good piece of evidence to have when you're looking at handwriting, the signature of the individual. Well, lastly, you want to always have a witness in the process because you want to ensure that they're the ones actually making the sample, and you also have that kind of just extra degree of security that there isn't any sort of chance that there could be someone else writing it, there could be looking at something. You have that witness kind of established there. This is kind of just the 6 major steps there. Again, don't show them the document. They should not be told how to spell words. They should use materials similar to those on the document. The text should be dictated to them. They should be asked to sign the document and always have a witness. And together with this, you should be able to develop a good known set of handwriting to act as a comparison between the question document that you have.